Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You should know up front, iOS does not provide a single switch to turn off the app library, so you'll apply workarounds. First, go to Settings and open Home Screen. Once there, change how new apps are added. This prevents clutter. Next, return to the home screen and enter Jiggle Mode by long pressing an icon. This lets you hide entire pages. Doing these steps reduces reliance on the app library, which is why we start here, rather than hunting for a non-existent toggle. Now change the default for new installs so apps don't bypass your home screen and land only in the app library. Navigate to Settings, tap Home Screen, then choose Add to Home Screen. Once done, new apps will appear on your pages and not just in the app library, which simplifies access and reduces unfamiliar behavior. Make sure to confirm the option. You can always move apps manually later. This step addresses why the app library feels unavoidable. It's often the default for new apps. Finish by hiding home screen pages you don't want visible and consolidating apps into folders so you rarely need the app library. Long press an empty area, tap the row of dots, then uncheck pages to hide them. Move apps back onto visible pages or delete unused ones. If anything goes wrong, pages won't hide or apps disappear. Restart your iPhone, then re-enter Jiggle Mode to re-enable hidden pages. You can always reverse these changes because you cannot fully disable the app library itself.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.